Hi, how are you? Welcome to Shonaland. Today we are going to be taking you through simple phrases that you can use to know each other. So let's get to know each other in Shona. Greeting. Hi. Moro. Moro. Yesi. Yes, you can use either of the words moro or yes. The response: hi, moro, moro, or yes, yes. The next phrase that you can use when you want to know each other is you would want to know someone's name. Asking someone's name. What is your name? Unonzi ani. Unonzi ani. Unonzi ani. When you're fluent in Shona, you can say unonzani. Now you'll be removing the I here and just joining this into a one word, unonzani. The response will be, my name is Ronald, or my name is Chamirai. Zita rangu ndinonzi Ronald. Zita rangu ndinonzi Ronald. Zita rangu ndinonzi Chamirai. Where someone stays or live. You would want to know where someone stays or live. Where do you stay? Unogara kupi. Unogara kupi. Unogara kupi. The response will be, I stay in Mutare. Mutare is a place. Or I stay in Glenview, I stay in Domboshava, I stay in Victoria Falls, I stay in Nyanga. Ndinogara kwa Mutare. Ndinogara kwa Mutare. Ndinogara kunyanga. Ndinogara kwa Mutare or ndinogara kunyanga. Here you'll be putting K and U and then the place. You might also want to know why they are here or why they have visited that place. What brings you here? Wauya kuzo itei. What brings you? Wauya kuzo itei. What brings you here? Wauya kuzo itei. The response might be, I am here for the show. Maybe you will be there for a certain show. I am here for the show. Ndauya kuzoona mutambo. Ndauya kuzoona mutambo. You might want to end the conversation now. You've asked what you've asked and you want to concentrate with whatever that is happening there, and you'd want to end the conversation. You would go like, it was nice talking to you. Enjoy. Ndafara kutaura newe. It was nice talking to you. Ndafara kutaura newe. Enjoy. Iva nenguva yakanaka. Iva nenguva yakanaka. And the response might be, thank you and same to you. Waita basa uveo nenguva yakanaka. Waita basa uveo nenguva yakanaka. Thank you very much for joining us today on today's tutorial. If this is your first time here, please do click that subscribe button and click on that notification bell because you will want to miss any other videos that we are going to share with you on Shona. Thank you.